Hi, I'm Dr. Jameca, and today we're talking about humor and histrionics. So humor and an individual who suffers from histrionic personality disorder. First, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more information and videos on personality disorders, mental health, racism, and reality TV. So today we're going to talk about what does a person with histrionic personality disorder do with humor. Typically, if you know someone who fits this description, or you think that they fit this description, they could be the life of the party. They could be the comedian in the room. They could be the person that's always telling the jokes, always making people laugh. And why would they do this? Because if you're listening to someone tell a joke, then you're doing what? You're paying attention. If you're listening to someone who tells quite humorous stories or impersonates people, then you're paying attention. These could also be people who can do very good impersonation. So they can mimic maybe celebrities or other people that you both know. They may be able to do their voices. They may be able to walk like them, talk like them, and behave in other ways that other people would, just to get your attention and just to make you laugh. Now, I will say this. Typically, an individual with histrionic personality disorder, they're likable, they're charming, they're funny. Like I said, they are the life of the party, and most people like them. Where it becomes a problem is when you live with the person, or if you're in a relationship with the person and you see the same funny, charming, maybe grandstanding behavior all day long, 24/7, because then it could be annoying. It could become a problem. But let's think about other ways that a person with histrionic personality disorder could use humor. Another way could be jokes. Now, for a normal person, you should be able to tell a joke or a riddle or do trivia, and it's fine. It goes over well, whichever atmosphere you do it in, whether you do it at home, with friends, family, or you do it at work. But a person with histrionic personality disorder is more likely going to use sexually inappropriate jokes or sexually inappropriate stories because, right, they want attention, because nothing gets your attention more than a sexually inappropriate joke, especially if it's done at the wrong place, wrong time, wrong audience, just wrong altogether. So this would be one of the things they would do to make sure that they receive attention. Other things that they could do in the midst of telling a joke or a story, you could see that they jazz it up a bit. They could make it a bit bigger than what it really is. In other words, they could add more details, they could add more adjectives, they could add more pieces like impersonations or voices. Just jazz it up to make it a much bigger and better story. Why? Because it's going to get more attention. Everything comes back to attention, and everything comes back to attention for the sake of the relationship and because it makes them feel good. It is normal for a person with histrionic personality disorder to want and to need and demand attention. This is what is normal for them. This is what makes them tick and work in the world. So hopefully you learned a little bit about humor and the histrionic person today. Make sure you tune in for more videos. Thanks. I'm Dr. Jameca.